I'm sure you're familiar with that tune. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses Abifarin if you're new here. I'm excited to share with you a simplified way to play the classic Amazing Grace on the piano. If you are a beginner or just looking for an easy arrangement, this tutorial will help you play this beautiful song with confidence. Let's get started. Welcome back. So first you need to know that the song arrangement is on the key of F sharp. So I'm going to play the whole song, then you see how easy it is to play. Alright, you see how simple that is? That is everything. So what am I doing? First, key of F sharp. And if you look at the song melody, or if you listen to the song melody, you find out that the melody just falls on the 3 and 2 black keys on the key of F sharp. So we just have F sharp or G flat and A flat, B flat, D flat and E flat. That is all which the melody is built upon. So the starting, I started from the 5th, which is the melody, single note. See that? Then this. Then this is chord 6. You see that? Then back to 1. Then I do a walk down now. See that? Into this. Next. So I did my diminished there. So if you play it full, this is diminished 7th. So this is half diminished. Just voicing. Then you can see that as D flat 7th at that point. So my target is this D flat or C sharp 7th. Then back to this simple. Then this, not too much, just this chord B. Then I did this. Did you see that now? Easy, clean. Then I walk down. Then this is where you need to look carefully. This, I can just say this next part is a bit difficult. It's not that difficult. So I harmonize the melody. So I harmonize that melody with. So that I can have my B flat 5 there, flat 9 I mean. I harmonize it with this melody. Harmonize the melody which is da, da, da. So I harmonize with it. Da, da, da. Did you hear that? So you should know that one thing when you're arranging your solo is all about music, is all about tension and release. So if you're arranging your solo, so when I have that melody, da, 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 so I harmonize with it. Da, da, da. That's the tension. I'm releasing it now. Did you see that then? That's not tension. I had another tension here. Did you see that? Another tension is there. Then I release it. So I ended on G flat or F sharp added 9th. Then you can do your roll up. Depending on how long your piano is. So that's all for this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with friends and family. Bye for now.